Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Browser number 3, guys. I am glad you're here. We're working on a lovely size canvas. This is a Michaels canvas. It's a 12 by 16 gallery wrapped, perfect size if you want to go horizontal or vertically. And I think we're going to go vertically today. What my plan is I've got some yummy colors. You guys know how much I love my neutrals. My home is neutrals. It's all taupes and tans and grays and pearls. And those are all the colors that I'm going to be using today. I've got some new Piggies in, and I am so excited about them because they are totally and completely my jam. What I'm planning on doing is a couple of flip cups up at the top, and then we're going to tilt left and right and left and kind of keep a little bit of a horizon line. And then what I think I'm going to do at the bottom is just brush paint my colors on to blend to match what's going on the top, because a flip cup can be a little bit busy. And it's nice to have a place of simplicity for your eyes to rest. At least that's how I feel about it. So 16 by 20 canvas, yummy colors. This is my slop bucket paint. And it is a bunch of coppers and maybe some pearls and some Rust-Oleum, what's in here? Rust-Oleum metallic champagne. When I'm done painting, I pick up my drippings and I then strain them with a cone strainer, and I put them in one of the coordinating slop bucket paints. And I gotta tell you guys, sometimes my slop bucket paints are absolutely glorious. I absolutely love them. So this is going to be our base coat color. I might throw in a little bit of the golden fluids in the carbon black. Right here we have Rust-Oleum metallics in the metallic champagne. This right here, guys, I just got this in the mail the other day, and you know how much I love my golden fluids and iridescent pearl. It's one of my favorite paints. This is now one of my favorite paints right there. That is this little piggy. And that is their WhiteHaven. Now my Piggies are mixed a little bit different. What I do is I take a big old scoop of pigment, put it in the bottom of the cup, and then I take a big old a big old dollop of Josanya gloss varnish, about equal parts pigment to varnish. I slowly stir it up to make a wonderful paste. And then I add my pouring medium to it. What's our pouring medium today? It's my swiping pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a big healthy squirt of GAC 800, with the exception of the Piggies. They all have a big dollop of Josanya gloss varnish. Right here, look at this. I haven't used this before. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it makes my heart sing. That right there is this little piggy, and that is their Carmel Drizzle. I even like the name of this paint. Absolutely wonderful. We're getting our little latte on today. Right here is another piggy, which is just glorious. Look at that. Makes me smile. This little piggy, and that is their Capuchino. Over here we've got for funsies a little DecoArt Satin Enamel, and that is their neutral beige. And right here we have, oh, this is also a yummy color. Take a look at that. I was just playing tonight, guys, just sitting here. I love mixing paint. It's like just hypnotic for me. That is DecoArt Dazzling Metallics in the Rich Expresso. And then once I mixed that up, I added a few drizzles of the DecoArt Metallics in the 24 karat gold. And last but not least, golden fluids in the Iridescent gold. So we've got a lot of good neutrals going on. I'm going to go ahead and layer some cups. Oh, actually, I think it's called dirty pour, where you pour it kind of high and you let the paints kind of mix up together in the cup before you flip them. So we'll go ahead and put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, and we're going to get busy, guys.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along, I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say